Alright, so day 3, I guess you can call it, part 3. I don't know. Jump down here with the Poochie. There's Poochie. I don't want to step in your shit. But it is finally sunny outside. I got here Tuesday. Oh, yeah, day 3. Everything is still soaking wet. It's been raining since I got here. I mean, raining non-stop. I'm sure if you watch my other videos, you would know that it's fucking messy out here. I mean, the back of this still flooded. Look how beautiful that is, though. We are literally in a valley. This is absolutely the most peaceful thing I've ever had in several years. I'll walk down here a little bit. See a little downtown. Oh man, that sun is literally so refreshing. Like I can go play in the water. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, this phone does not do it justice. Not one bit. I'm sure when I get my truck up and running, well, it runs, but gotta finish the brakes and shit, you know what I mean? I'm sure once I get that finished up and done, it'll be up and I'll have a more extensive video for y'all. Let's go over here and show you what we got. It is so peaceful out here. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. You see how peaceful that is either?